In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your screenshots on PS5. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you have to go to settings, and in settings go to storage. Here in storage, go to media gallery. Now here you will see all of your screenshots and screen recording. To delete a screenshot or screen recording, go to that screenshot or screen recording and press the options button, this one, and then you get go on delete and press the X button, and then go on delete and press X button. If you want to delete multiple screenshots or screen recording, go on to the left side and here go on select multiple, press X, and then select the screenshots and screen recording that you want to delete. And after selecting, go on the right side, and from here you can also select all, deselect all, and here you will see how many you have selected, and then you can also share, and here is the delete option. So press X on the delete and then select delete and press X. And so this is how you can delete your screenshots on PS5. Thanks for watching.